Ever wished you could watch YouTube while texting a friend or browsing the web? The good news is that Android's Picture-in-Picture PiP feature lets you do exactly that. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process in just a couple of minutes. Start by launching the YouTube app on your Android phone. Once the app opens, tap the U or profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the Settings gear in the top right corner to open YouTube's Settings menu. From the list of options, select Playback. Look for the Picture-in-Picture option and make sure the toggle is switched on. This allows supported videos to continue playing in a floating window whenever you leave the YouTube app. After enabling the setting, return to the YouTube home screen and play any standard video. Keep in mind that some videos, such as YouTube Shorts or certain music content, may not support Picture-in-Picture because of content restrictions or regional limitations. While the video is playing, simply exit the app by swiping up to go to the home screen or pressing the home button, depending on your phone's navigation style. If everything is set up correctly, the video will instantly appear in a small floating player instead of stopping. You can move this floating window anywhere on the screen, tap it to pause or resume playback, or close it whenever you're finished watching. This makes it easy to enjoy your favorite videos while using other apps at the same time. If the feature still doesn't work, check your phone's system settings and make sure Picture-in-Picture permission is enabled for the YouTube app. Updating YouTube to the latest version can also resolve the issue. Your setup is complete. Now you can keep your videos playing while using other apps.